Hi, I'm Ryan James with Liberty Adjusters. One of the most common concerns that I get has to do with kitchen fires. People are sometimes apprehensive to file a kitchen fire claim because they feel they did something wrong by creating the fire. And the reality is, as long as you didn't purposely set the fire, it should be covered by your insurance company, regardless of who is at fault. If you have a kitchen fire and you're going to attempt to put it out yourself, do not use water, as water can cause the fire to spread. You should make sure that your kitchen is equipped with the proper type of fire extinguisher and maybe even a fire blanket. However, don't ever risk your personal safety in attempting to put out a fire. Contact the fire department and leave the building as soon as possible. If you do have a fire claim, questions on it, contact Liberty Adjusters, and we'll be glad to give you advice on that claim.